In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable CAPTCHA verification in Google Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This is where you'll find most of Chrome's settings and management options. From that menu, click Settings. After the Settings page opens, find the Extensions section and go to Manage Extensions. This area shows all of the browser extensions currently installed in Chrome. Here, take a close look at the extensions you have enabled. If you notice any unnecessary extensions, or ones you no longer use, remove them or toggle them off. This is an important step because some extensions can interfere with websites and trigger repeated CAPTCHA checks. Cleaning up your extensions can help Chrome behave more normally and reduce those verification prompts. After that, you'll also want to make sure your Chrome browser is fully updated. Running an outdated version of Chrome can sometimes cause compatibility or security issues, and those issues may lead to more CAPTCHA requests than usual. So it's always a good idea to check that your browser is on the latest version before changing anything else. Next, click the three-dot menu again in the top right corner and return to Settings. This time, go to Privacy and Security. In this section, click on Cookies and look for the option related to third-party cookies. Here, make sure third-party cookies are blocked. This can improve privacy and help control how websites track your activity across the web. Once that's done, stay in the Privacy and Security section and click Security. On this page, choose Standard Protection. This setting helps protect you while browsing without being overly restrictive. It offers a balanced level of security and is generally the best option for normal browsing. If your settings are too strict or misconfigured, some websites may behave unexpectedly, including showing extra CAPTCHA challenges. After making these changes, Chrome should be better optimized for a smoother browsing experience. Keep in mind that CAPTCHA systems are designed by websites to protect against bots and unusual traffic, so you may still see them from time to time. However, reviewing your extensions, keeping Chrome updated, adjusting cookie settings, and using standard protection can help reduce unnecessary verification requests. That's it for this tutorial. Follow these settings carefully, and you should notice a cleaner and more stable browsing experience in Google Chrome.